Just want to show you the aftermath of roof cleaning. We have applied our soaps here. They are now dwelling. The way you know that it was in fact mold and mildew and that they are starting to be alleviated is that the soaps turn white after being applied. So we did this whole roof section here. Now typically mold and mildew is only going to grow on the north and east sides, the place where it gets the most amount of shade. Most of our customers ask us how we price because of that. So the way we price our roof cleaning is that we measure the entire roof and we price based off of that, but we have the expectation that we're only going to clean half of the roof. We price this way just for simple ease. Protects the customer in case we do actually need to clean more than half the roof, especially in this case we had another section over in that corner. It just makes things easier for them. Our 5-year mold-free warranty for the next 60 months, we are going to guarantee that no mold or mildew will return on the shingle roof, is warranting the entire roof. So say that tree over there grows, or they plant another tree, or this gets to cover this side of the roof more, that's all covered underneath the next 5-year mold-free warranty. So it really is an amazing thing that we are not seeing any other company doing. So this is a little bit of our roof cleaning process. Only trust soft washing whenever you need to get your roof cleaned, and only hire a professional company like the Pressure King. 615-516-9933 or thepressureking.com. I'm going to finish this roof up here and go enjoy the rest of this absolutely beautiful day.